Exercise 1.11, number 15, the University of Alberta bought $67,470 worth of computers last week. If they bought 130 computers, how much did each computer cost? So we can see that we have the total price, so that's our total, and we have a total of 130 computers. And we're talking about money and computers, so the things are different. When we know the totals and what we're talking about are different, we have no choice but to divide, because we're getting down to each computer. So we're dividing the money by the computers to see the price for each computer. So we're going to set this up. 130 is our divisor, going into 67,470. So we're dividing the money up, so our answer will be in money for 1. We've got some big numbers here, but we need not be worried about it. We're going to stick with the plan. Dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. We're going to go through all of our steps. So first up, we're going to divide. 130 does not go into 6 or 67. We're going to be dividing 130 into 674. So we're going to kind of round to see, well, let's say 130 is around 100 and 674 is around 700. But we're not quite at 700 and we're a bit over 100, so I'm going to guess 6 times. I might be right, I might be wrong. Let me see. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Oh, I'm a bit too high, but this means that it's going to be 5. So I'm going to do that math on the side now, and then I'll put the 5 up in my quotient. 5 times 0 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15, carry my 1, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So that's better, we're pretty close to 674. With a 5. So multiplication step, 5 times 130 is 650, and we're going to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4, 7 minus 5 is 2, and now we're going to bring down. 130 into 247. Okay, well 130 times 2 is 260, so that's too big. So I'm going to have to only multiply by 1. 1 times 130 is 130. Subtract now. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 117. Now we're going to bring down. Now we have a big number. So we have 130 into 1,170. 130 times 10 would mean we add a 0, so that'd be 1,300. So 10, of course, we can't use, but it seems to me that 9 would work. So I'm going to try that over on the side here. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry my 2. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. So 9 is it. 9 times 130 is 1,170, so we don't have any change left over. We're going to have a 0 remainder. So 519 is the price. I'm going to make a sentence. Each computer cost $519.